Let's analyze the three chords included on the bass clef. We still have the same key signature. I'm still in B flat. We're still using the scale here. And we know that the ones I circled are major. Your 1, 4, 5, and the 1 or 8 are majors. The 2, 3s, and 6s are minors. And 7 is diminished. I think I'll just put a little degree sign next to the A to remind you that this one's diminished. All right, our first step is to discover the root position of this. This is not a root position, so we need to work that chord out until it's every other letter. I see that these two are together. So if I could move the A, would it be stacked? It would be. So it is some type of a A chord. So now that I see that, I can move it because I've got to describe what's here. So temporarily I can move the A here just to determine what the name of it is. It is A, so what number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a 7. It's lowercase. And it should be a diminished. So you put the degree sign here. What is the inversion? How do I describe that? The interval from the top to the bottom is a 6. And this is a 3. So do I need to put the 3? No. That tells me that's first inversion. Now, what name do I give this with a letter? A diminished. Okay. Let's look at the next one. What letters do we have here? A, you might want to write them out to the side. Remember, great big dogs fight animals. All right. Now these two are stacked, so could I move the A and would it be stacked? Let's see. Yes. So we look at it just to say, well, it is a D, some type of a D chord. So that gets me my number. 1, 2, 3. It's a 3 for D. And lowercase, it's minor. I'm going to go ahead and put D minor to help me remember. And I need to describe the inversion. It is from the top to the bottom is a 6. And from the middle one to the bottom is a 4. So that tells me it's the second inversion. Now, if you're not confident that it really is D minor, remember, you can put it on the keyboard, D, F, and A, in root position. And then check your semitones. From D to F, there should be 3 semitones if it's minor. 1, 2, 3. Yes. And then there should be 7 semitones if this is a perfect fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it is. All right. Let's look at the last chord on the bass. And let's see what our letters are. Do you remember the sentence, all cows eat grass? All cows eat grass. And then what's this one? A third above a G is a, well, the line would be A, G, A. This would be B. Oh, but we have some flats. We have an E flat. And we have a B flat. There's my E flat and there's my B flat. All right. So where is E flat in the scale? They're already stacked. That's why I'm looking at the lowest tone. I know it's a root position. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all I need here are capital Roman numeral I and a V. And I label it E flat. Nothing else is necessary. I could put a 5-3, but when I see the Roman numeral by itself, I know it's a root position without the 5 and the 3. So there we have a few examples of how to analyze chords both in the treble and the bass clefs.